Hello, friends! Extra emergency benefits are beginning to be sent out by the federal government to help provide financially struggling Americans with much more financial aid during this crisis. Many of you are eligible to receive a monthly benefit boost very soon. Here's your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update. Remember, friends, that I'm always here every single day to bring you the latest, most reliable, and accurate news related to fourth stimulus checks for seniors, Social Security, SSI, SSDI, RRB, and VA beneficiaries. Stay tuned until the end of this video if you're interested in entering my $100 Walmart gift card giveaway.
Go ahead.
Just a quick question on inflation. Many people believe that government spending is a big factor in the current inflation levels. Can you speak to concerns that spending plans that come out of Build Back Better aren't paid for and so could mean higher deficits and more inflation in the future?
Aren't paid for? Build Back Better is paid for. Entirely.
Okay. Can you speak to the concerns that are coming in that it's
Who are
not
the concerns
actually
from, though? But who's saying it's not paid for? Because there have been a range of economists saying it's entirely paid for, and that has been a priority for the president. It has also been concluded by a number of Nobel laureates and experts from a range of economic experts on the outside that it will not contribute to inflation. So those are the global experts that we would point to, but there may be others suggesting something else, but I don't know who those people are.
If those bills do pass, it will not raise taxes?
Well, something being entirely paid for means that part of that is the highest income Americans, that companies would be asked to pay a little bit more. That has been part of the proposal and part of reforming the tax system to make it more fair.
So they're also not expected to contribute to future inflation then?
The Build Back Better bill? Again, it's fully paid for. We would point to Nobel laureates and a range of global economists who have conveyed that it would not contribute to inflationary pressures. Go ahead.
A large number of states across our country have announced that households that receive the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program will continue to receive the maximum amount for their household size this month. State departments have said that recipients will receive the additional amount on January 23rd. The extension of these benefits started in March 2020, as SNAP households that were not already receiving the maximum food benefit for their household size received an increase, bringing the food benefits to the maximum amount each month. State departments have said that the increases were made in an effort to help reduce food insecurity for Americans amid this crisis. There are about 42 million Americans that rely on SNAP benefits to put food on their tables, providing benefits to eligible low-income individuals and families. Additional food stamps worth up to $157 are also sent to residents in many states, including California, Connecticut, Illinois, Washington, Minnesota, and Maine. Now, friends, I know that hundreds of you are wondering when these benefits will be paid. The benefits are paid on a specific day each month, depending on your state. You must apply for SNAP benefits in the state where you reside. Each state has a different application form and application process, and therefore, each state has a different date for depositing SNAP benefits into eligible accounts. U.S. states which run SNAP programs want to make sure you still need help and will often ask for pay stubs or income statements. If you do not recertify your food stamps on time but are still eligible, you could risk having your benefits cut off. But if you are found eligible, you will receive a notice informing you how long you will receive SNAP benefits. This is called your certification period. But before your certification period ends, you will receive another notice indicating that you must recertify to continue receiving these benefits. There are millions of senior citizens that would like to see more stimulus checks sent out. The good news, friends, is that the Social Security Administration has announced that Social Security benefits will increase this year. This is really wonderful news for Americans receiving these Social Security benefits. Given the difficult economic times that we're living in, many who receive supplemental security income benefits were actually able to benefit from the higher rates earlier than 2022. There is a large number of SSI beneficiaries that were able to receive their first increased payment on December 30th, 2021. For the rest of those collecting the various types of Social Security benefits, the dates of these payments should not change in 2022 compared to 2021. So in other words, you should expect the payments to arrive at the same time each month. But if you are not sure if you are eligible for Social Security benefits this year, please check your online Social Security account. Millions of Americans will receive a check for $1,657 in the coming days. The recipients are expected to receive a check for an amount greater than what they received in 2021. These checks will be distributed according to the month of birth of the beneficiaries. But many beneficiaries of this program should be aware of the different days that will take for the stimulus fund to be sent. Friends, the keyword for this video is oatmeal. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Comment below this keyword and also any other keyword of any video that you watch. And please remember to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Due to the cost of living increase, the average monthly retirement check will be $1,657 this year, which is almost a $100 increase from last year. The maximum Social Security check for a worker turning full retirement age in 2022 will be $3,345 compared to $3,148 in 2021. However, that amount of $3,345 is not the maximum Social Security payment that anyone can receive. There are millions of Social Security beneficiaries who receive much more than that, primarily because they worked well past their full retirement age or delayed starting their benefits until age 70. Friends, that is the end of this daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very much for everyone who's watching. I greatly appreciate all of you. To say thank you, I'm giving away Walmart gift cards every Friday. And if you're interested in entering this Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please remember to click and like my videos. Comment below each keyword of any video of mine that you watch. And please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. And friends, please do me a big favor and share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus news information. Thank you so much, friends, and have a very blessed Wednesday.